Now you want to make some exceptions. Where do we even start with this?
All right, so first things first, you got to head over to your control panel. And then from there, you want to go into Internet Options.
Okay. And then is it in there?
No, there's a tab there that says Connections. Click on that.
Connections. Okay. Gotcha.
And finally, you'll see LAN Settings. So you got to click that.
LAN settings. All right, so we're like 3 clicks deep already.
Yeah, but it's not too bad once you know where to look.
Hopefully not too bad. So then what?
Okay, so you should see a little checkbox there for proxy server. Make sure that's checked. That's what actually tells your computer to use a proxy in the first place.
Oh, I see. So that's like the master switch, basically.
Exactly. But now, here's where it gets interesting. We want to set up these exceptions, right? There's a button that says Advanced.
Okay, advanced. Sounds a little scary, but okay.
Not really. Click on that, and then you'll see a field that says Exceptions.
Exceptions, okay. And that's where the magic happens, I guess.
Yep, exactly. So in that field, you just type in the domain names, like google.com or facebook.com.
Oh, so just the domain name, not like the whole website address.
Right, just the domain name. And if you want to add multiple sites, you just separate them with commas.
So like google.com, comma, facebook.com, comma, and so on.
Got it. Okay, that makes sense.
All right, so that's our deep dive into proxy exclusion in Chrome.
And remember, the more you understand about how this technology works, the more control you have over your online experience. So keep exploring, keep learning, and stay safe out there.
Great advice. All right, thanks for joining us for another deep dive, everyone. We'll catch you next time.